Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Coming at you today for a quick spotlight video. We are looking at Razor Emporium's brand new shaving soap fragrance, Nordic. So it's a cold morning and you are a Viking king rummaging through the forest and you are off to another battle to invade those cursed English to the south of you. Well, what are you going to use to shave with? Nordic, of course. This is our homage to all things wintry and masculine and woodsy and manly. This has scent notes of cedarwood, citrus, eucalyptus, and meadowgrass. They combine to have a fragrance that no one that I've showed to quite yet has said it was bad. Everyone who I've stuck it in front of their face, they've all said, ooh, that smells good. Men and women alike. And that's the real key, guys, is when you get women universally to like things, it's a good thing. And so many of those fragrances that we think smell good, I see a lot of customers come in the lobby or at shaving meetups or whatever, and the women walk with their husbands or, significant others or whatever, and they'll be like, and the guy's like, oh, honey, this one's really great. And the woman's like, oh, gosh, no, you cannot smell like this. But every lady who has smelled this that I've met, they've all thought, ooh, that's nice. The label I'm super proud of, and I'm going to give a shout out to my beautiful, adoring, loving wife. My wife is actually from a Norwegian descent, and when we were picking labels, she picked this image, and she said, I've been to Norway, and this is so familiar and just looks so inviting with the boat and the fjords and the grass. And so I think it's a beautiful image. This is going to look great in your shave den. We have, of course, the matching balm and splash, which I was just saying on the last video we did where I used this. I've really come to like our splash, and I'm not just trying to toot my own horn too much, but we put rose water and alum and glycerin in them, and so those other combinations end up being super nice on your skin, and they revive your skin, and they make your skin not feel dried out. So if you're used to splashes where you're done and your face is like raw, like stiff, you move your jaw and it's like all tight, you're not going to feel that. You're going to have that nice kind of relief of alcohol and that antiseptic kind of Home Alone kind of feel for a second, but then it really dries down nicely and you smell it, and it feels like almost like a lotion you put on. It feels great. So check out the Nordic products. Really excited to have us at Razor Emporium. Really excited that our soap maker DJ keeps on putting out fantastic products. So that's all I got. We will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.